Good morning, everybody. It's sunrise here out on the farm, so I'm outside about to have my breakfast, collecting this first light of the day. All the animals are waking up, so I know that means it's time for me to get up too, get these natural light signals in my eyes and on my skin. Time to get the day started and let my circadian rhythm know what time it is. I had a good night's sleep out here, got all the melanin to migrate within my body, embrace the darkness, and now I'll be able to start the process over again. So for breakfast today, I'm going to eat out here, have my 1 pound of raw grass-finished ground beef. It's the proper nutrition, the ultimate nutrition. It's got all the good healthy fats, the metabolic water, all the proper vitamins and minerals, the full nutritional profile that I need and that we all need as humans for our optimal health. I'm going to finish up my breakfast, keep hanging outside, connecting to the earth, walking around here in my bare feet. After I finish up eating, I'll take a little walk around the property. You can hear the pigs waking up too, and I'll show you guys around a bit, give you a little farm tour. Good morning, everyone. Alright y'all, we just took a quick drive up north. We're up in Nevada City on the Yuba River. As you can see behind me, came out to a trail, gonna do a bit of hiking. So we're getting some earthing in, connected to the ground out here on the trail, getting some good sunshine in, getting some good movement in. So we're stacking all of our good habits for our health and gonna enjoy our time out here. Maybe even jump in the river. I'll show you guys a bit later. Anything I see cool along the trail or anything worth talking about, I'll show you along the way. Alright y'all, we made it out to the beach. Got my feet in the water. It's the best way to do earthing when you're in a natural body of water like this. Really good conductivity, so I'm picking up a ton of free electrons from the water, from the earth, getting a lot of energy at the same time as getting all the good natural light signals from the sun. It's afternoon and the sun is high in the sky, so that means I'm also creating a lot of vitamin D right now, regulating all my hormones in my body and my mood, releasing all the good chemicals in my brain. So many good things are happening for health at the same time as something that's just so enjoyable as getting out here on the trail, walking around, being outside, and you all can do it too. It's free to do. Get out here, find beautiful places like this, connect with your environment, and your health will improve. Do it as much as you can. I think now it's about time that I jump in this cold water and get a little bit of cold therapy in. Alright y'all, we just got back from the trail, back to where we started, but I can't resist getting in one more time. So I'm going to do this last little bit of cold therapy in the river and have a little bit of fun in the water before we take off for the day. Alright y'all, we just got back to the farm. So I'm hanging here outside, resting in the grass, getting a little bit of shade, getting some indirect light, watching the animals, listening to everything going on out here. Just embracing the environment and taking it easy, getting some good sun. It's afternoon, so I'm still creating vitamin D, getting more sun on my skin, creating more melanin. So later tonight when I'm sleeping, all the melanin I make on my skin can migrate into my body and do what it needs to do. So I'm just going to keep hanging out here outside and enjoying my time on the farm, walking around. There's a slack line somewhere around here, so I think I might go try that out a bit. But just enjoying the day. I hope whatever y'all are doing, you're enjoying it too. I hope you're getting outside, getting good sunlight, eating good nutrition, moving your body, breathing fresh air, just enjoying life and building up your health in all the ways that I'm always talking about. Alright, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, my friends, it's dinner time. Still outside here at the farm. So I'm going to eat my dinner out here with all the animals roaming around. Keep getting this good sunlight. Keep getting my feet connected to the earth. Get my optimal nutrition. For dinner today, I have 1 pound of raw grass-finished ground beef with some salt added into it for the electrolytes. Got all the good nutrition in here. High protein, high fat, saturated animal fats, metabolic water, all the vitamins I need and all the minerals I need. This is all we need to thrive. All we need to achieve our optimal health is meat. And eating it raw is the best way to eat it from a nutritional stance. As I always say, we get everything we need out of it, the full fat content, no vitamins lost to the cooking process. So this is the optimal nutrition in the optimal environment, in the sunshine, surrounded by animals, just loving life today. It's a good day, so I'm gonna get into my dinner out here. Really strong sun out today, which is good for the vitamin D production, as I've said. And since I've been outside since sunrise this morning, I got the early morning light, so it's prepared my body to be able to handle this intense midday light. So I won't burn. My body's just going to keep creating melanin, keep creating more melatonin, and all the other good chemicals I need. Got my rooster friend right behind me. And he's quick. He ran away. But anyway, gonna stay out here, keep enjoying the day, keep eating my dinner, and keep embracing the environment. I hope you guys are doing the same thing, having good nutrition and getting outside and doing what you need to do to stay healthy. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try and stand on this slack line and get in a little bit of movement. Good for our balance. I'm a slackline novice, bear that in mind. It ain't easy, I'll tell you that. Barely. Have you ever tried this, Shanna?
Oh, there's no way.
It's so hard.
It's so hard. There's no way. Way too close to 50 for that. Look at Tori Winkles, you're pretty. You just peed all over my lap. Oh no, Tori was so happy that
It was a valiant effort. Alright, y'all, so it's just about sunset here on the farm. Hanging out with the bush chickens, the regular chickens, the goats are out, the pigs, the alpacas, the horses. It's time to feed everybody dinner now for the night. So they're all getting their food while I'm out here getting in this last light of the day, this last good infrared light. And now that the sunlight's going down, it's time to start relaxing, time to start resting, letting my body know what time it is. No more artificial lights, that means. It's nice out here because it gets very dark when the sun goes down, so it's good for rest and recovery. Gonna be no more screens, no more artificial lights once the sun goes all the way down. Let all the melanin I've created today migrate into my body when I'm sleeping tonight. I've produced lots of good melatonin today while I've been outside. That'll get released when I go to bed. So all my quantum habits have really been put to work today, and it's all gonna pay off later this evening. So I'm gonna hang out here still, go around to all the animals, watch them eat their dinner, just take it easy for the rest of the night. It's been a really cool day out here, really beautiful sights. I really love it out here. I've had a good time. So, like I said, time to relax for the evening. Sunset, the end of another day. Still connected to the ground, of course. Getting some last earthing in. Yeah, just really enjoying it out here, you guys. Alright, well, that's going to be it for me today. I'm going to get off all these screens like I've said, and I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. I hope you're doing all your good habits. I hope you're enjoying your life. I hope things are going very well for you and your health is high. Good night, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.